Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Line Road Beauty. I am here to show you guys a very quick and easy smoky eye. This smoky eye will get you party ready in a few simple steps and add the right amount of glam to your look for your night out on the town. So let's get started. I've already done the base makeup and the lips on our beautiful model today. I am starting with the eye primer on the eyelids. I'm using this mid-tone matte shade called Multitasker on a fluffy brush to deepen up her crease. I'm using a dark brown shade called Sweet Tooth and applying it all over the lid with my fluffy brush. I've placed a card to protect the base from any eyeshadow fallouts. Now with that same eyeshadow called Sweet Tooth on a pencil brush, I am just smoking out her lower lash line. I've taken this matte white eyeshadow called #NoFilter. I'm applying it to her brow bone as a highlight. I've taken the gel eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics and I'm applying it very roughly to her upper lash line. I am now going to smudge the upper lash line with a rectangular smudger brush. With the black eyeshadow in this palette on a pencil brush, I am further smudging out the upper lash line. For some added drama, I'm adding a kajal pencil into her waterline. I'm using two kinds of mascara. One is to add a lot of length and the other one is to thicken the lashes and make them more voluminous. So those were a few very simple steps to get your eyes to looking smoky, smudgy and sexy. I hope that you're easily able to recreate this. Just remember that the key to a beautiful looking smoky eye is a lot of blending. Make sure that there are no harsh lines and the smoky eyes just diffuse into the color of your skin. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, make sure that you share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.